What's up, guys? This is Premium X here. Got a quick little DansComp unboxing. Not the biggest. So yeah, here you go. Brown paper. Odyssey Springfield brake. Odyssey G3 gyro. DansComp stickers. Paper. Got 4-month calendar. Savings and discount and everything, whatever. The receipt. My total was $60.98 with shipping and everything. Pretty good price. And then thanks for shopping. So I'll show you what I got. So Odyssey Springfield brake right there. And then what it comes with is the parts to put it on. And the safety paper. And then for the gyro, it comes with the upper cables, the lower cables, the bottom plate because I don't have the gyro tabs, the upper plate, some parts to put on, the detangler, and the spacer. And then there's another safety paper and an Odyssey sticker. So that's my unboxing.